In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Wix, a process that should take us about 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself needing to update your website's currency display to match your business needs or to cater to an international audience, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your site's dashboard. This is where you manage everything about your site, from design to settings, so it's a good hub to get comfortable with. Next, we need to locate the Settings option. You'll usually find this in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a variety of options related to your website's configuration. Within the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Language and Region. This is where you can adjust various regional settings, including the language your site is displayed in, and, most importantly for us, the currency. Now let's find the currency options. Typically, this will be a drop-down menu or a list where available currencies are displayed. It's designed to make it easy for you to switch between different currency formats. Scroll through the list until you find the currency you'd like to use. Whether you're switching to euros, pounds, yen, or any other currency, pick what's most appropriate for your business or audience. Once you've selected your desired currency, it's crucial not to skip the next step, saving your changes. There should be a button labeled Save or Update nearby. Click it to ensure all your adjustments are applied. Forgetting to save is a common mistake, and you wouldn't want to have to go back and repeat these steps. Finally, it's time to preview your changes. Click the Preview button to see how your site looks with the new currency settings. If everything appears as expected and you're happy with the display, go ahead and publish the updated version of your site. Hitting Publish will make sure that your changes are reflected live for your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the currency on your Wix site. This small change can significantly enhance the user experience for your visitors, especially those shopping from different parts of the world. Keep in mind that whenever you're making changes that affect your users directly, like currency, it's always good to double-check everything is working smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other videos for more useful tips on managing your Wix site. Have a great day.